Good morning, and welcome to another episode of the Quote for Today. I'm your host, Michelle Frisby, and I'm so glad you're here. The mind has a habit of racing ahead, trying to prevent discomfort before it ever shows up. Today's quote invites us to notice what that habit costs us. Worry is planning for problems that haven't arrived yet. This quote gently exposes how worry pulls us out of the present and into imagined futures. When we worry, we're not responding to what is happening. We're rehearsing what might happen. The mind stays busy solving scenarios that may never become real. That mental planning can feel responsible, even protective, but over time, it drains energy and narrows perspective. Instead of meeting life as it unfolds, we live ahead of it, carrying stress that has no current purpose. The body responds as if the problem is already here, even when it isn't. Peace returns when we notice this pattern and choose presence instead. Most of what we worry about never arrives, and if something does, it will meet us in its own time, with more clarity and resources than worry ever provides. As you begin your day, remind yourself that this moment does not require future planning for imagined problems. As the day unfolds, notice when your thoughts drift into what could go wrong, and gently bring them back to what is actually happening. And this evening, reflect on how much energy was saved by staying present rather than worrying ahead. Here's a simple tool to carry with you today when worry appears. Ask yourself one clear question. Is this happening right now? If not, let your attention return to the present moment. And here are two related thoughts to sit with. Presence steadies the mind, and peace lives where attention rests until we meet again tomorrow. Let's make it a great day.